There we have a VIVO Y35, and today I will show you how you can turn off mobile tracking on this device from every website, cache files, ad services, and other like that stuff. So we have to open the Google Chrome, and now just tap on three-dot icon and choose New Incognito tab. And that's it. So now we will switch to Firefox, and in Firefox you can open this incognito mode by clicking this icon. When your background is purple, it means you are in the incognito mode. So in the Opera, just click on this small tab icon and switch to private. And that's it. In this incognito mode you are safe from every mobile tracking from every website. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, and goodbye.